Hey, I'm Skip Bedell. If you're using an inside corner trim for your Palisade project installation, this video is going to show you how to install the last short piece of tile at the end of the row. First, install the inside corner trims into each corner with the adhesive. Allow 24 hours for the adhesive to cure. Make sure the corner trims are oriented like this. Each inside piece has a full and partial channel. The full channel will be put against the back wall. Next, determine the length of the tile section. Measure from the inside lip of the previously installed tile to the inside edge of the previously installed trim. Apply the sealant to the interlocking edges. After cutting the tile to length, apply adhesive to the substrate, not the back of the tile. You can spray a squirt of water or two onto the substrate and adhesive. This will lubricate the substrate, allowing for easier movement. Insert the cut edge of the trim into the inside corner trim. Push the tile into the edge trim while laying the tile down toward the substrate. When pushed into the trim entirely, the interlocking edges will be exposed. Push the tile into the corner trim until it can lay flat onto the substrate. The tile can now be pulled manually back into place. Pull the tile toward the interlocking joint until it is tight. You might need to take a wet rag and wipe off any excess sealant that gets squeezed out of the joint. And there you have it, perfectly sealed corners that look great.